Get ready to bring the nostalgic charm of the state fair right to your home kitchen. These are packed with a generous layer of caramel apple filling and drizzled with luscious salted caramel. Join me as we whip up a batch of these irresistible treats guaranteed to become a new seasonal favorite. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making caramel apple cheesecake bars. Before we begin, do me a little flavor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little notification bell. Let's get into it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Now in the bowl of a food processor, combine the all-purpose flour, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and kosher salt. Pulse this to combine. Add the softened unsalted butter and vanilla extract. Pulse this until the dough just about comes together. The mixture will look a little bit crumbly. Transfer the mixture to the prepared baking pan and press the mixture into the bottom. Bake the crust for 20 to 25 minutes just until it is lightly golden. Now take it out and let the crust cool completely. Let's work on the caramel apple filling. Peel and core 5 tart apples. Slice the apples to 1/4 inch thickness. In a large saucepan over medium heat, melt the unsalted butter. Add the dark brown sugar, then the ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and salt. Stir this until the dark brown sugar completely melts. Add the sliced apples and cook this until the apples soften and turn golden brown. This will take about 8 minutes. Your whole kitchen will smell absolutely irresistible. Set this aside. Let's work on the cheesecake filling now. In a bowl, add the cream cheese and use either a handheld mixer or a whisk to beat the cream cheese until it is completely smooth. Add in the sweetened condensed milk and beat it again. Add the eggs, then the vanilla extract, and kosher salt. Mix it on medium speed until it is smooth and creamy. Gently spread half of the caramel apple filling into the cooled shortbread crust. Reserve the remaining apple pie filling in the refrigerator. We'll get back to it. Pour the cheesecake batter over the caramel apple filling. Then prepare a bain-marie or a water bath by placing our 9 by 9 inch baking pan into a larger metal pan. Gently fill the larger pan with hot water from a kettle and slide the stacked pans into the oven. Be careful not to splash water into the cheesecake batter. We don't want to cook it with a boiling water. Bake the cheesecake until the edges are set and the center jiggles slightly. So this will take about 50 minutes to 1 hour. While the cheesecake is baking, let's prepare the salted caramel sauce. In a medium saucepan, stir together the granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. Corn syrup will prevent crystallization and ensure a smooth caramel. Now, if you don't want to use corn syrup, you can just substitute it with granulated sugar instead. Turn the heat to medium-high and cook it until the sugar reaches an amber color. This will be at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. It might take about 10 minutes. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream, and cook this for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the salted caramel sauce is smooth. Take the sauce off of the heat and stir in the salted butter. Once the butter is incorporated, stir in the vanilla extract and set this aside. Now that our cheesecake is done, let's let it cool completely and refrigerate it until it is firm. This will take about 4 hours in the fridge. When it's completely chilled, take it out of the pan and cut it into perfectly even squares using a knife. We want to see all these beautiful individual layers that we've built. To get these beautiful layers, wipe the knife between each line that you cut. Top each square with the reserved caramel apple filling and top with a drizzle of salted caramel sauce. Now, if you want to go nuts, finish this with a sprinkling of crushed peanuts. Enjoy, babes. For the full recipe, don't forget to head to that description box below or go to cozymeal.com/recipes. If you haven't already, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. I'll see you next time.